Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Facebook Marketplace link so you can post it on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. First, log into your Facebook account and click on the Marketplace icon. From there, head over to the Selling tab. Here you'll see all your active listings. If you don't have one yet, simply create a new listing. Once your item is listed, open it up and click on the Share button. You'll see options like Share Listing, Send in Messenger, and Copy Link. To share outside of Facebook, choose Copy Link. Now you can paste that link anywhere. On Instagram, add it to your bio, save the changes, and the Marketplace link will show right on your profile. You can do the same thing on TikTok by adding it to your bio, so others can access your listing instantly. And that's all it takes to share your Facebook Marketplace link. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.